Welcome to my final technical artist breakdown video where I talk about the scripting in this beautiful project of mine. If you want to see it with sound, please look at my earlier videos, but there is audio reactivity going on here nevertheless. So these are reacting to the music in the scene, which I don't have playing right now because of the sound limits in my location. Anyways, I want to go through the scripting that I'm using, and so that's a demo of the gameplay, basically feeding roses to these canid chimeric egos. And if you want to know more about the artwork and how the models were created and the pipelines, then definitely check out my other videos. But can I just say one thing, which is going to come up later, where there was a feature where there was a points system, so you had to feed them a certain number of roses before they were vanquished or soothed, and I just removed the point system because, instant gratification. I wanted them soothed straight away. But anyways, let's get straight into it. What's going on in this project? So, player controller. Let's see what's going on in the player controller. In the player controller, we have we have the controls that we use, so the arrow keys, and how fast the player goes, and how like where it can go. It goes from side to side, staying with the screen, and then we have something that it shoots out, and something it creates. Like, it creates the thing that it shoots out. So yeah, the horizontal movement's limited, and then it actually can move back and forth, and and if you press space, then it's going to instantiate a rose. So let's see what else we have in this magical project. Oh, a spawn manager. How interesting. Let's see what's going on in the spawn manager. In the spawn manager, we have animal prefabs. A delectable selection of animal prefabs, and the locations where they're gonna be spawned at, and the interval, like kind of the timing of their spawning, and the got some endless creatures. Well, where you have endless creatures to make sure your memory doesn't get overloaded, you've got to have a nice destroy script. Yes, destroy out of bounds, but that's destroy out of bounds X. That's not for this project. And then void spawn random animals. Just telling you where to spawn them. And animal index. I think this is the index, but some stuff about the direction in which it goes. Let's see, what else? Okay, let's press play and wait for the animals to come back, and then pause it, and then look inside the prefabs. Where is an animal? Oh, there's one. Let's go find it. Oh, look at all these scripts now on the animal. Aha, the illustrious move forward script. Let's see what's going on in the move forward script. Oh, got a speed, and transform and translate vector forward type speed. It's going forward. It does what it says on the can. And the destroy out of bounds strips I mentioned earlier. Yeah, these are the bounds, and who gets destroyed. anything that goes past the top bound gets destroyed. There was a life feature, but I removed that because I couldn't wait for the dogs. It was more visually effective to have them vanish straight away. And what else? Oh, a detect collisions script. That's important. Quite simple. If the player oh so if it enters the trigger, so the collider on the dog asset, then if the player has done that, then then this dog asset will get destroyed. Why is it player tag? It turns out something's both getting destroyed here. Well, I'll have to look into that again. But let's see, anything else? The spawn, food spawn position. That's where that's the point on the player where it gets spawned. And lighting and effects, because I know how to do that. VFX. Oh wait, okay. Let's talk about the mouth rose one more time. What is it? I mean, I keep mentioning have an analysis of the sound waves with the wonderful music that you can hear in a different video, in like my past videos, and the space between, basically, wait, I want to show you something. This stuff on the ground, these models, they've been arranged in a row via the script, and their spacing is one. And it also controls how big they get and how big they start off, and kind of how many details of the, like, how many kind of inputs are taken from the wavelength of the sound, and where what the spawn point is, I guess. And I'm going to talk about these musical scripts in detail later, but I hope I've given you some insight into what's going on in my projects. So I'm excited to talk about this more with you in detail. So let's arrange a time. Thank you so much.